Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating basically the Delco 1972 series. This was used in a zillion different cars, and I don't have the car that it came out of, so we'll just say this is from Mike in Cedarburg, Wisconsin, and this radio was repaired to original stock. So there's no Bluetooth or USB to test or anything like that. So let's go ahead and turn her on. I believe I have it set to FM at the moment. I have all the station buttons preset to stations in my area, so we can run through this pretty quick and prevent copyright issues by leaving it set on one station too long. So FM, and we'll just run.
Hey love, I'm Lori. If you need a
Okay, flip it over to AM.
But George Washington's birthday.
We've got a strong AM station.
Because I think that is the day that we should be celebrating.
Okay, while we have it on this setting, we're going to test our balance control and all that stuff.
He was a slave owner. He did this.
Front rear fader.
Be quiet.
All the way front.
The reason why I say that is
all the way rear.
I'm so sick and tired
Front,
of people that don't understand
rear.
American history in the context of history. I love the
Okay, there is no left-right balance control on this unit, at least not the one that you can access from the outside.
It ended right here. In the
Okay, let's pop a tape in here. Got some Neil Sedaka here.
One of the people that I did not get into in
Neil
the last
Sedaka
hour was William Ellison, and there were more William.
Okay, we're going to change tracks a bunch of times. Blank spot there. Okay, there's this track that was blank before. Alrighty.
I wouldn't have been there.
Pull the tape out, and the radio comes back. We'll do one more quick FM test.
0% APR financing.
Okay, and there we have it. The last thing it tests is the dial light, and you can see it flashing on and off through this hole right there in response to my pushing the button. So she's ready to go back to the customer. I'm ready to get on to the next job. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you can reach me. My phone number and website are in the description below. I do ask all customers to visit my website before calling me with a 15-minute barrage of questions about options, prices, turn times, blah, blah, blah. That's all on the website. It's also in the work order. So you're welcome to call me after you've got your information off the website so that it's a 5-minute conversation just to make sure that I'm a good guy and you can trust me instead of a 15 conversation that starts with, so what all do you do? That's just not going to work here. So thanks so much for watching, listening, everybody, and thank you, Mike, for your business from Cedarburg, Wisconsin. We'll see you guys next time.